Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download every app for Android for free. You can go to Play Store and see a lot of apps that are on payment, but in today's video I will teach you how to download those apps for free. I will remind you that this video is only for informative. It's not a way to tell you to download the app for free, because there is a lot of people that works hard to create games and beautiful application, and it's normal that they wanna that people pay for that product. So after saying this, let's jump into the video. So now we are on my phone. We go to the Play Store, the classic, and we choose an app, a premium app that we want to download. For example, Mini Metro. Here it costs 1 Swiss franc, but now we will go and download it for free. First of all, we go on Google and we search for download Aptiode. Aptiode is a copy of the Play Store, pretty much, but it has every app for free. We click on the first result and we download the app. Now I have already the app on my phone. So we go on Aptiode and we search for the game. Sorry, home. We are here, we search for the game that was Mini Metro. Okay, we find it. Now the first results, we have the application and we install. Okay, close. Since it's free, the market will show you some ads. Now we wait the download of the app. Perfect. Once the download is finished, we go and install the app. It probably asks you to say yes to download this application. It's not automatic because it's not an app of the Play Store. And then we can open our application. As you can see, the app works. The game starts to going perfectly. Now we have our game, and you can play with your game without pay nothing. I will tell you again that you can pay the game if you like it. You can use this for test, but this is pretty much everything for this video. I hope you find interesting the video, and you can try to use this way to download every app for Android for free. I will ask you just one thing in return: like and subscribe. I know it's two, but you know, it's just one thing. Like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.